Hi my Simply Beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jessica. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell at the top. Alright, so basically I want to do something bold. I've seen a whole lot of looks going around with pinks. I don't want to do nothing pink today, just want to do something bold with burgundy and gold. So that's the look I'm going for today.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Alright guys, so it's very hard for me to find any burgundies, but then I seen my husband did get me this palette a while back, so I had to go up in this palette. And yeah, so I'm mixing two shades together to get the desired look that I want. So I also am putting the color in the crease and also on my lid. So I was going to do a halo eye, but I went with a cut crease, but you can do either or. But yeah, I've really been sleeping on this palette. I really do enjoy this palette. If you do have this palette, probably got some dupes out there. But yeah, and also in the comment section, please let me know what looks you want me to do. I meant to do an affordable look, but I'm pretty sure you can find affordable eyeshadow palette to recreate this look. I'm using this gold out of this palette. It's so pretty. You know, their palettes, they're very creamy. And do have a sale going on. I looked on the website, have a sale going on, so I was like, oh snap. But yeah, and also I'm trying to use the Black Radiant setting powder, and I found that it's still not doing right underneath my eye. So if you have this powder and it's doing right underneath your eye, let me know what I'm doing wrong. But yeah, I'm just trying out again. I do not like it at all. And it's by Black Radiant. It's in the banana. So yeah. And right here I'm just blending both of the eyeshadows together seamlessly. Just pat it on there. You can use your finger, you can use any brush you like. Make sure the brush has less product on it. It'll be easy to blend into the other shade. And like I said before, use a clean blending brush to blend everything together. Alright my Simply Beauties, now just add some lashes. I'll link everything below. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're new here, welcome. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.